What if your financial success isn't about how much you make? It's about how you manage what you have. Many struggle financially, not due to income, but because of habits. Financial security comes from small, consistent actions over time. In this video, we'll explore 7 practical money habits. None will make you a millionaire overnight, but together, they can change your financial future. First, you must know where every dollar goes. Most people have an awareness problem. They earn money, spend it, and wonder where it went. Tracking spending is essential. Use a notebook, app, or spreadsheet. For instance, imagine someone who buys coffee daily. At month end, those small expenses add up. Track your spending for 30 days. Understand your financial behavior. You cannot improve what you ignore. Next is the habit of paying yourself first. Many earn money and pay bills, leaving little to no savings. Instead, set aside a portion of your income before spending. Even a small percentage helps create consistency. 2 friends earn the same amount. One saves when they have extra, while the other saves automatically. Over time, the second builds savings. Habit matters more than the amount. Now, let's discuss spending with intention. Emotions can lead to impulse buying. We shop when bored or stressed. Differentiate between genuine needs and emotional wants. Try this rule. Wait 24 to 48 hours before buying non-essentials. Reflect on past purchases. How many thrilled you for moments but became unimportant later? Spend intentionally and watch your savings grow. The next habit is avoiding lifestyle inflation. When income rises, expenses often follow. Raise, new car, bigger home, they often come at a cost. Keeping a portion of every income increase is crucial. If you receive a raise, allocate some for savings and investments. Wealth isn't always visible. Sometimes, those who seemingly spend less build financial security. Making your money work for you is vital. Understand the difference between earning and building assets. Educate yourself on saving, investing, and long-term growth. Money sitting idle loses value. Thoughtful investments can help your finances grow over time. Think of it this way: those who spend everything must start from zero each month. Build assets that continually work for you. Learning about money never stops. The financial landscape changes continuously. Develop the habit of financial education. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow credible sources. Financial knowledge protects against scams and poor decisions. Each lesson learned today can save you a costly mistake tomorrow. Finally, think long-term and stay consistent. Patience is key. Many abandon good habits without seeing quick results. Small actions over time become powerful. Every financial journey starts with a single step. Don't compare your journey with others. Setbacks happen. It's about returning to good habits, not achieving perfection. Your financial future is shaped by your ongoing decisions. To wrap it all up: 1. Know where your money goes. 2. Pay yourself first. 3. Spend with intention. 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. 5. Make your money work for you. 6. Keep learning about money. 7. Think long-term and stay consistent. You don't need everything figured out today. Just one good decision can lead to another. Choose one habit to start practicing today. Small changes can lead to remarkable outcomes. Which habit do you need to work on most? Share in the comments. For more on building wealth and better financial decisions, subscribe to Finance Flow. Remember, your financial future is being built today, one habit at a time. What if you could transform your financial life with just a few simple shifts in your daily routine? Imagine waking up each morning with a clearer sense of purpose regarding your finances, armed with practical strategies to grow your wealth gradually. You might think achieving financial freedom requires a hefty salary or a stroke of luck, but the reality is that powerful money habits can absolutely change your future for the better. Now, let's dive deeper into these transformative habits that anyone can adopt, regardless of their current financial situation. Start by examining where your money goes each month. Many people have no idea how quickly their expenses add up, often leading to the sense that money vanishes before it can be saved. Tracking your spending, whether through an app, a simple spreadsheet, or even good old-fashioned pen and paper, is the first step to gaining control over your finances. Consider this. When you begin to categorize your expenditures, you might be surprised by how much you're spending on coffee, dining out, or impulse purchases. Each transaction tells a story about your spending patterns, and recognizing these can help you make informed adjustments. By committing to a 30-day spending log, you take the essential first step towards understanding your financial behavior. You cannot improve what you don't acknowledge, so let's shine a light on those habits. Now that you've started tracking every dollar, it's time to implement the second powerful habit: paying yourself first. This means allocating a portion of your income to savings before you tackle bills or expenses. It may feel counterintuitive, as bills often take precedence in our minds, but by setting aside even a small percentage right away, you foster a habit of saving that can compound over time. Consider two individuals with the same income. One pays themselves first automatically, while the other saves only when there's leftover money. Over the years, the first person's consistent savings can lead to a substantial financial cushion, illustrating that the discipline of saving can often outweigh the initial amount saved. It's not just about how much you save, it's about establishing a mindset that prioritizes your financial future first. Now, let's explore the concept of spending with intention, a crucial habit in achieving financial success. It's all too easy to let emotions guide your purchases, leading to impulse buys that provide fleeting satisfaction. For example, when feeling bored or stressed, retail therapy may seem like a solution, but it often leads to buyer's remorse later. To combat this, try a simple strategy. Pause for 24 to 48 hours before making non-essential purchases. This cooling-off period allows you to reflect on whether the item genuinely adds value to your life or if it's simply an emotional response. Think back on past purchases. How many brought joy only briefly before becoming just another item in your home? By spending more intentionally, you can not only curb unnecessary expenses but also enhance your overall financial health. With time, you will notice a positive impact on your savings. Next, let's address the importance of avoiding lifestyle inflation as your income increases. It's a common mistake to allow your spending to rise in tandem with your earnings. For instance, when you receive a promotion or raise, you might feel tempted to upgrade your car or move to a more expensive apartment. While enjoying your hard-earned money is important, consider setting aside a portion of that increase for savings or investments. The wealthiest individuals often live below their means, prioritizing financial security over material comforts. By resisting the urge to inflate your lifestyle, you can nurture a solid financial foundation and ensure that any extra income contributes to your long-term goals. Making deliberate choices in this area enhances your financial resilience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters for your future. Remember, every bit saved today builds your wealth for tomorrow. Incorporating the habit of making your money work for you is vital to your financial well-being. It's essential to differentiate between merely earning income and building assets that appreciate over time. Educating yourself on various saving and investment opportunities can unleash your financial potential. Remember, money that sits idly loses its value due to inflation. Thoughtful, strategic investments can lead to significant growth in your financial portfolio. unlike spending everything you earn, which resets your finances every month. Aim to create financial assets that generate returns and continuously contribute to your financial health and security. Finally, commit to lifelong financial education as an unending journey rather than a destination. Embrace the idea of staying informed about changing financial landscapes through reading, listening to informative podcasts, or following experts in the field. Continuous learning empowers you to make educated decisions, shielding you from scams and unwise choices that can negatively impact your finances. With each piece of knowledge you gain today, you build a foundation for a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. In conclusion, building a secure financial future revolves around small, intentional actions that compound over time. Embrace these habits, and remember, every single effort contributes to your long-term success. Your financial journey is uniquely yours, and by practicing these principles, you can make significant progress towards achieving true financial freedom.